Technology is all around us. It plays an important part in our modern day lives, work and security. Working seamlessly in the background to enhance our lives, it should help reduce the time we spend on routine tasks and give us back precious hours in our busy lives. However, when that technology isn't working or you need a change, wouldn't it be great to have someone on hand to get the job done, leaving you to focus on life and work? Blucando specialises in managing your technology needs at home and at work.
Good afternoon, Blucando. Stuart speaking.
Be it repairs, new equipment, making sense of cloud services, or even networks, Wi-Fi, CCTV, alarms and security. Technology works for everyone, and so do we. From your home to your business, we develop and support solutions for your unique needs. Our customers continue to work with us because they genuinely value the services we offer, so we have no need for unnecessary tie-in contracts for our support or services. It's about more than just business for us. We genuinely care about the relationship we develop with our customers. As we get to know you better, we can serve you better. Take your next step with Blucando, making technology work. Contact us today.